And this is punishment. Yeah, this punishment for this old man during Chinese New Year. And can I invite our next sharer, Mr. Rocky Chong? Have a seat.
Hello, everybody. Hello.
So, by the way, this is my father. Okay, so could you tell us a little bit about yourself? Yeah, you can tell them. Introduce yourself, how old you are, how young you are.
My name is Rocky Chong. Why Rocky? Because I play mahjong. I'm a very hard player. I hold all my second kaki, and my nephew said would tell you that. Okay, I'm 86 years old, but not ready to retire or to go migrate to another world. And all that, thank you very much for my daughter there and Chong Ping, who introduced me to Celergen.
So what happened to you while you were getting old? Maybe you want to tell them about your medical history.
Oh, I'm a cancer survivor with half a stomach cut off, but I have no idea what the surgeon did with the stomach, whether he cooked it or he threw it away. And right now I can say I'm physically fit. My medical reports and all that, 6-month annual report has always been good. I used to have a lot of problems, chronic problems, cough and cold, and as an old man, that kind of issues. But thanks goodness to Celergen, those are things of the past. I'm independent. I stay with my youngest daughter, but I do my own laundry, my own cooking if I like to. And of course I go on holidays. Just came back from Coco with my daughter and my children.
And what time do you play mahjong until?
To me, life is meant to be enjoyed, to live and enjoy. Life is beautiful, and for that, I must thank Celergen for playing its part, and for my children for introducing it to me.
Yeah, we are very independent because after his cancer operation, his stomach was cut in half. So half a stomach, which means protein digestion and all that, protein nutrition, never enough. So when we switch and we say we started him on Celergen, actually the medication has been reduced, and then he was not get very good sleep because of frequent urination and all that. So you want to tell us about that?
I must say now, I live a very healthy, normal life. I can sit and play mahjong for about 3 hours at a go, and my nephew said can vouch for that without having had to run to the toilet. And like I say, life is meant to be enjoyed, and I'm glad that I'm enjoying life to the fullest.
So what else have you done with Celergen? What else have you done with Celergen? You keep yourself so that you keep winning mahjong.
I think I've been taking Celergen maybe for the past 10 years, and that's something that I never feel. Every morning when I get up, that's the first thing I would do. I take Celergen, I take NGF for my nerve, because I also had an operation on my neck. My head was very unstable, and I had an operation here. So the nerves were all, I would say, the nerves and all that were being very hard on me. I took that. That's the first thing every morning that I get up before I take coffee or I take anything else. And yes, it has done me a lot of good.
So when he's independent, we are independent. Okay.
In fact, they should pay me for being independent, right?
I think he can buy his own Celergen next time. But he is buying it because when he plays mahjong and all that, then they will say, hey, Rocky, my father here has got 3 GAs under him already. Yeah. So they'll tell him, hey, your skin looks very good, you walk faster than most people, and then he will just share with them about Celergen.
Of course, I'm also very, very careful when I go and cruise with my nephews and all that. I just make sure that I do not fall down. Okay, because the law of gravity and all that, so that when I come on the stairs, I prefer that somebody that I can hold on to prevent me from falling.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
The person that can attest, the person that's non-family that can attest to him playing mahjong play until very late is Charlene. Because we were just at her resort in Kukup over the weekend, yeah, and he was playing cards until God knows what time, Okay.